Here I have Huawei Y7 2019, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan on the following device. At the very beginning you have to open the phone manager and then select this icon, which is virus scan. Just click on it. And now you can tap on quick scan, so your device will automatically scan itself and tell you if you have any viruses inside. Actually, there is no internet connection, so we didn't scan the cloud. Cancel, but all device has been checked, and as you can see it was finished and there is no virus inside, no dangerous data. So that's it. That's how you perform a virus scan here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.